What is HMP virus, short for human metapneumovirus? Have you ever had a bad cough or fever and thought it was just a cold or flu? What if I told you it could be something else, something called HMP virus? This little known virus is more common than you think and it can lead to serious respiratory illness if left unchecked. Curious to know what it is, how it spreads, and how to protect yourself. Stick around to learn everything you need to know its symptom, cause, treatment, and how to protect yourself. What is HMP virus? HMP virus, short for human metapneumovirus, is a respiratory virus that belongs to the same family as RSV or respiratory syncytial virus. It primarily affects the respiratory system and it a major cause of respiratory illness in people of all ages, especially infants, the elderly, and those with weakened immune system. HMP virus, respiratory virus, first identified in 2001. Sign and symptoms. Symptoms of HMP virus can range from mild to severe. Here are the common signs to watch out for. Cough, often a persistent sparking cough. Runny nose, could be clear green or yellow. Fever, usually low grade but can spike in some cases. Sore throat, a scratchy or irritated feeling. Difficulty breathing, in severe cases, especially for young children and the elderly. In severe cases, particularly in vulnerable groups, it can lead to bronchitis or pneumonia. If symptoms seem to worsen, always seek medical advice. Causes and transmission. HMP virus spread much like other respiratory virus through droplets when someone coughs, sneezes, or talks. It can also spread by touching contaminated surface and then touching your face, nose, or mouth. So crowded places or close contact with an infected person increase the risk. Treatment options. Unfortunately, there is no specific medication to target HMPV. Treatment focus on relieving symptoms. Over-the-counter medications for fever and pains. Rest, plenty of sleep to help your body fight the infection. Fluids, stay hydrated to loosen mucus and prevent dehydration. The best defense against HMP virus is a good offense. Hand washing. Wash your hand frequently with soap and water, especially often being in public places. Disinfecting surface regularly clean and disinfected commonly touched surface. Covering coughs and sneeze. Use a tissue or your elbow to prevent spreading germs. Staying home when sick. Avoid spreading the virus to others. Wear a mask in crowded or high-risk area. Strengthen your immune system with a healthy diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep. Prevention is better than cure. HMP virus might be a snaky virus, but now you know how to spot it and what to do about it. Remember, prevention is key. Practice good hygiene, stay informed, and don't hesitate to consult your doctor if you are concerned. Remember, this information is not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to the Food Book for more health tips and information. See you in the next video and stay safe.